Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to deposit crypto to your Bitpanda account. And for this we click on deposit, and then right now we go to cryptocurrencies, and then right here we select the currency that we want to transfer. So let's say we want to put some Ethereum right here on our account. Then we select right here the Ethereum network. So we do Ethereum network, and then right now we click here on view wallet address, click on I understand. And normally when you deposit already some money to your account, he will show you the wallet address, and you just need to copy that in your other crypto account on which broker, whatever you want. And then you can transfer that right here to this Bitpanda. But I never put some money on this account. So that is the reason why I can't deposit crypto. So make sure that you first do a deposit with money, cash, and then after that you can deposit crypto. So that is a policy that they are having. So this is exactly what you need to know to deposit crypto to your Bitpanda account. Hopefully this was the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.